What's up, YouTube? Today is 11/27, day before Thanksgiving, and we are getting some nice rallies back up. So yesterday I did call out this zone at 91,000. I am in this trade. It is running. I'm debating on if I just want to go for the last high. If I want to go a little bit farther. I think there's still going to be selling pressure at 100K no matter what. I think we really got to swing past that heavy to get all those. Like, there's a lot of liquidity trapped up there. And I know liquidity, as you guys know, is a magnet to the market. So we're just going to wait and see. We're going to wait and see. I honestly, this morning, removed my take profit from up here, or like here, whichever it was, 99,000. I removed it just to see, because Bitcoin can just, shoot up out of nowhere, like within seconds sometimes. So within an hour, it's just parabolic. So last night when I went to bed, obviously I had the TP take profit set at like 99,500 or whatever. But yeah, this morning when I'm watching it, I got rid of it. Can always add it, change it. That's the beauty of day trading. You can always move your stop loss as you go up or down, whichever way you're going. Trailing is very important. So the other trade I was going to talk about. Wow, what? Okay, Ethereum just rallied past. Nice. Okay, I'm in Ethereum on my normal account, but also on my funded challenge, which I'm still on phase 2. I did take an L on, what was it, Sunday or whatever. I did take an L. It's fine, not a big deal. I'm not worried about it. This was it tapped a little bit below the 786, but it definitely responded well. Maker, for those that don't know about Maker, they were actually they're making their own chain now. They were on Ethereum. I highly recommend Maker. I've been buying Maker since down at like $500. I was buying at like 400 or 500 a coin, or no, not 400, 500, 5 to 600 range. We hit $4,000 in April. Sold profits then. Made a big aggressive swing back up. If we fib this out, you can see that we went below the 2.7, which is pretty bad, honestly. It's nice to see responding from the 382, but we all know that the Ethereum chain has been heavily hit. Honest to God, I wish I sold everything at 4K, but I didn't. I'll be honest with you. I'm never gonna lie to you. Always gonna be straight up with you guys. That's one thing you can always count. I'm never gonna feed you any bullshit. I'm never gonna tell you to buy something that I would never buy, like these TikTokers with 1 million followers. It's disgusting to me that they have these little Gen Z kids telling people to buy coins that no one's even heard of, or they're so old and you can just tell that these people know nothing about crypto. And to me, this industry needs to find a way to weed out those idiots. I mean, the other thing about it is, I will admit, they're bringing new people to crypto, but here's the problem is they're going to bring people into crypto and tell them to buy crap coins, or coins that aren't even going to do that well. Maybe, let's just say, like, hopefully they at least buy something that'll go up and they'll make some money, but they won't get the real crypto parabolic effect because they're going to buy the wrong stuff. And they might either, and then that's the problem, is that's where you get the people that end up a year later buying at the top of the hill and getting wrecked, and then they have nothing but bad things to say about crypto. So, long story short, I want to make sure that people come into this space. I want to make them money, and I want to tell them when to get out and not keep holding. And I'm not going to tell them to buy coins that suck. And yeah, I want everyone to win. So not only does it help the space, crypto in general, but it also helps you guys. That's my number one goal here, is to help you guys make money, because crypto has been a blessing. And I finally told myself, I had so many friends tell me, like, why don't you make a YouTube channel? Like, you know what you're talking about. You constantly are up to date with everything. And I can sell, sell myself. I'm a salesman at heart, Like, that's always been I've always had the gift to gag. So it's like, I finally was like, man, it is almost selfish of me not to make a YouTube channel and give out good information. I do have a TikTok page too. I believe it's the same. I haven't been posting on it, and I need to. All In with Mitch, yeah. Same as on here. All In with Mitch, and you'll find me. So definitely come tap into my TikTok. Also, would be much appreciated. That way we can all stay connected on everything. Hold on one second. Something was wrong. Yeah, I haven't posted on here in a while, I'll be honest with you guys. But oh yeah, these are old. We got cars. We got trucks. This is. We got SUVs and vans. I'm gonna delete this. This has nothing to do with. We got cars. This is back when I was working at a car dealership, and yeah, I gotta clean up my page. I was kind of mixing it up. I was trying different things, but there's stuff on here I need to weed out and get rid of, because it has nothing to do with crypto or motivation. As long as there's, I remember this trade. This was massive. As long as there is either crypto trading and investing, Forex or stocks, whatever, or motivation or health and fitness, that's the only things I want to put out for now on any channel of mine. So that's my goal. I believe in the whole 100% health, wealth, and mindset. I mean, all three of them go together. Personal development, digging in, and really, it's not just like, let's learn a skill like trading and investing. It's like, let's change our whole mindset and change our whole way of thinking, because, everyone has something, and everyone has a way that they can improve themselves. Nobody is perfect. And if anyone tells you that they're that closed-minded, that they don't need to change anything and they don't need to improve anything in their life, like, that's bullshit. And there's no way that someone doesn't want to improve something in their life, because that's always the case. But anyways, let's get back to it. So Sui, man, look at that, reacted so perfectly to this, not only support zone, but the 5A, the 0.5, and the 618 level. I'm telling you, these fib levels are just amazing. Yeah, like right in between them. But anyways, here, let me just put this up to literally the zone itself. I didn't take this Sui trade, but obviously we've been getting Sui for a while now, but I did call out a Sui trade. Where was it? Right here on the 7-1. It ran a little bit and did this, and then we ended up getting broke even. and lost that trade. And that was like the first loss I called out on this channel since when I started it, you know what I mean? And I did put one up here, I remember, the Saturday or whatever. I called out like something like that, but I said don't necessarily take it, and I said I guarantee that we're probably going to come down into this. And I said, be very mindful. I'm not saying like take the trade just because we pulled back some. And I said, I truly believe we're going to come into here. And look what happened. To the dot. To the dot. Now, XRP, I told you guys yesterday, it's just in a weird spot. I'm not really feeling it. Yeah, XLM. Weird spot. Cardano got up to $1.15. Wow. When was this? November 5th. Wow, we had 260% growth from the election. I mean, I'm not surprised, but Cardano has been dead for a little while. It's been held down, but it's obviously recovering. Chainlink's one of my top picks. I need to I really wish I would have started this channel 2 years ago when I started my portfolio for this bull run and gave you guys, from day one. And it is what it is. We can't go back in time, but I do want to put out a video. Yes, Uniswap's running. Wow. Uniswap's doing very well. But I do want to put out a video. Caspa keeps breaking down. About, say you guys were just jumping into crypto today, and what would you buy? Because it's not too late. Like, you can still get in this bull run. We have just started the parabolic stuff. It has not fully even started yet. So, technically, we broke out of a wedge, and this trend line is coming from a minute ago. This actually is technically breakout of a wedge. So, a wedge, something I still need to put in. I still want to make my step-by-step boot camp. You guys just gotta bear with me. I'm gonna try and knock out maybe a video or two today for the boot camp. I know I've been putting it off. I've been just trying to really at least get these market outlook videos out every day as much as I can, or maybe like an extra short on the side too. But anyways, so a wedge, when you have a trend line coming from the top and the bottom and they cross, but we break out of it, that is a bullish indication that we're going to continue higher. This is on the 30-minute time frame, so this could actually happen. Obviously, it's much better on higher and higher time frames, but I mean, it's not a perfect trend line. I'll admit it's more like right there maybe, but we did technically break out of it. I mean, it's not a strong 4-hour candle or hour candle. I'm curious to watch this play out, but the problem also is we didn't break above this resistance. We did wick above, but it's just a wick. Always remember that a full body candle breaking above and closing right there is always going to be more powerful than a wick. A wick doesn't hold its weight as much. Honestly, I wouldn't. Jupiter breaking down. Wow. That is weird. We hit the 382, but we're not really moving much. Solana's doing well, so, and Solana also reacted on the 3.8 too. Jupiter as well. Jupiter is Solana's number one, pretty much number one DEX. Very, very popular. Oh wait, this is on a weird spot. I will admit. Let me see something. If we go there, okay. Yeah, I'm not sure why my fib was in that ending on that weird area. Drift, cloud. Cloud's been lagging. Fetch AI. The AI coins are waking up. Aerodrome, look at that. Now, it did break above that. So, let me see. Arbitrage. Ton is just waking up some more. Aave. As you guys can see, all the Ethereum based coins are running. And it's just continuation. Nice, render is doing good. It's a continuation of what's been going on, which is there's more inflows coming in, or there's more money on the Ethereum dominance, so there's more money flowing into Ethereum, obviously. Let's go look at that real quick. Bitcoin's still breaking down 58. Solana's breaking down again on the dominance, but Ethereum keeps running. So that's something to keep in mind. Solana dominance. Others DeFi. Oh wait, let me go on the higher time. What is? I don't know what that's about. Kind of weird. Total. See, the stables are dropping. The money's. It's funny. Like I saw on X that they printed billions in Tether coins, which is the stable coin for Ethereum. Now you're seeing USD Tether completely dropping, and you're seeing ETH completely run. You can literally, that's why I keep stressing these dominance charts for you guys, because we're literally watching where the money is going in and out. Okay, there's a couple other sites you can use too. I will do on another video, but because I do need to wrap this one up pretty soon. Anyways, so some of the memes also running today. Let's look at Dogecoin. Yeah, it's also been in a weird spot, kind of. SHIB in a weird spot. We're kind of consolidating, like we're running on a lot of stuff, but we're also consolidating on a lot of stuff. So you just gotta be mindful of that today. Definitely don't want to just jump into leverage trades today necessarily, but I do feel like we're setting up for you guys to get some really good entries for spot, aka long term, you know what I mean, up until to hold until next year. Because whatever you buy right now, say you're just buying it for a long term hold, you're gonna be selling it next year if you're smart. You're not wanting to hold into 2026. I don't think that's going to be the case. I'm confident you're going to want to sell some. I think the beginning of fall, winter next year will be the spot to get out. Yeah, some of these meme coins are doing crazy today. Degen's waking back up. GME, Brett is waking up. Ethereum, yeah. Pepe is obviously doing well today. SPX is doing wow. Okay. Yeah. Super. Oh yeah, mobile. the mobile token for the Helium network is definitely doing good the last couple days. They had something about some guys in Yale or something doing a study on blockchain using cell phone towers with, obviously it's Helium mobile. Wow, what is going on with Blast? Huh. Wow, we got a strong pump from Blast. Nice. Okay. Jasmy coin, one of my plays I've been using or buying for a while and holding. Gonna be the #1 used token in Japan. They want to use it like on every subway, everything. Ondo, real world assets, definitely one of my big plays. And Aave. I'm gonna do a video on what coins I think people should buy at this point in the bull run, and how long you should most likely be holding them, and also yeah, kind of like put it into categories, you know, and let you guys kind of pick. I'm not saying like buy every coin that I'm gonna call out on for a portfolio, but I'm saying I'm gonna give you, you know, your main caps, your mid caps, your meme coin options, you know, maybe just a little bit into meme coins, certain ones, and then real world assets, different categories, DeFi tokens, gaming tokens, AI tokens if you want to, stuff like that. The other thing I wanted to bring up was, oh man, gonna do a whole separate video on it, but oh gross, that is disgusting. We got a new vote on Jupiter today. Very important if you guys do stake your Jupiter that you vote every time there's a vote. Yep, there it is. Okay, I think so. I've been doing it for a long time. I mean, shit, I got like $1,000 of Jupe given to me for voting and staking last month. It is very nice, very nice. And oh wow, Jupiter got their, they have the mobile app now, and they have the web browser one. I'm gonna make one today actually. But all right guys, I'm gonna
to get this on the sacks. Guys, come on, man. Like, seriously, guys, are we really fucking creative? I'm so tired of this, okay? It seems like our industry, right? The only solution to anything, right, is getting this on the sacks. Oh, when sacks. Get lit, guys. Seriously, man. Come on. Everyone's saying, okay, if you guys want to grow a thing, go to Coinbase. Are we so
Alright guys, well, go vote on Jupiter today if you stake Jupe. In my Crypto 101 Academy, I will be doing
right? Make sense? We harness that airdrop, right, into a really dynamic and powerful community, right? Jupilery is about inviting people who are already familiar with Jupiter's principles into the community. We think that Jupilery can also be a massively decentralizing event, right? In the sense that, like, you know, I think most protocols may have emissions to most insiders, right? And very often they do it like opaquely and quietly through multiple channels, and the insiders obviously sell it. You know what I'm saying, right? So we want to do differently, right? We want to kind of like, you know, we emit the community, right? You know, in the most openly possible way, right? The funny thing is that the more open you're about these things, right? The more fight you get, right? In saying, because then the more people know about it, it's painful knowing that we can do things in the sense that we can just do everything quietly and make a lot more money, right? Just selling these privately. You know what I'm saying right now, right? And versus doing this, right? Way more public, way more attention, way more fun, way more debate, right? Way more anger, right? But yeah, honestly, it's painful. But but I think we should do it this way. Yeah, but I don't think it's possible to do it. I don't think it's possible to make the DAO and community more decentralized. I'm saying if you do it in a quiet way, I don't think so. I think we have to. I think we have to go through this.
Just looking to double confirm the voting. Yep, there it is. Okay. Good thing I saw that today. Shit. So, I'll read that in a minute. But yeah, I highly recommend if you do buy Jupiter, which is one of my strong buys, definitely stake it and vote every time there's a vote, because you're going to be amazed at how much you'll get back every time, every airdrop. Actually been pretty surprising to me. So anyways, guys, I'm gonna wrap that up today. Have a good day. I'm gonna do a whole video on meme coin huntings, and yeah, I'm gonna show you guys like this that just, it's shocking. I mean, these guys are millionaires in the meme coin game, and it's crazy. I'm not saying go buy a bunch of meme coins. I'm going to show you the right tools to use to find them, because it's also a very dangerous game. Alright guys, have a good day. Also add me also on Twitter, or X, I mean. It is All In With Mitch, all one word. Type that in just like you do on YouTube. Have a good day. Talk to you later.